Namaskar. This is the Cybex Sword and you are watching Samachar. Today's breaking news. India on high alert as hacker group plans cyber party targeting critical digital infrastructure. An attack, dubbed Cyber Party, is scheduled for 11th December and has raised concerns about the potential disruption of essential services. Hacker group plans Cyber Party attack on India's critical infrastructure, targeting the health sector. Reportedly, Indian government issues nationwide alert, urging all departments to strengthen cybersecurity. The group behind the planned attack has a history of targeting other countries, including the United States, Sweden, and Israel. Top 5 Cyber Samachar on this week. First, job scam takedown. 2 cyber criminals nabbed in fake call center bust. Second, Delhi's elderly resident duped of 50,000 rupees in voice cloning fraud. Third, US, India, Taiwan unite to strengthen cybersecurity against China threat. Fourth, food giant Crafter Heinz targeted by ransomware group. Fifth, new 5 ghoul attack impacts 5G phones with Qualcomm, MediaTek chips. Detailed news as follows. Job scam takedown. 2 cyber criminals nabbed in fake call center bust. 2 notorious cyber criminals, including the mastermind behind a multi-state job fraud ring, have been arrested by Varanasi's cyber crime police. Shreyans Kumar Mishra, a resident of Jaunpur, became a victim of this nefarious scheme and lost about 11 lakh rupees. Promptly, he filed a complaint at the Varanasi cyber crime police station, leading to an investigation that unraveled the entire operation. The cyber crime police team, led by Inspector Vijay Narayan Mishra, successfully tracked down and arrested the 2 key suspects. Times. Rohit Kumar, a graduate with a computer degree, residing in South Delhi. Times. Atit Kumar, also a graduate with a computer degree, hailing from South Delhi. Next. Delhi's elderly resident duped of 50,000 rupees in voice cloning fraud. An elderly man in Delhi's Yamuna Vihar has been duped out of 50,000 rupees by cyber criminals by misusing advanced voice cloning technology. The victim, Lakshmi Chand Chawla, received a WhatsApp message from an unknown number on 24th October, claiming that his cousin's son had been kidnapped. Panicked and convinced of the threat, Chawla readily complied with the scammer's demands, transferring the hefty sum of 50,000 rupees via Paytm. Next. US, India, Taiwan unite to strengthen cybersecurity against China threat. In a landmark collaboration under the Global Cooperation and Training Framework, GCTF, representatives from the United States, India, and Taiwan convened in New Delhi on December 11th to 12th, signaling a significant step in cybersecurity cooperation. U.S. Ambassador to India, Eric Garcetti, along with Taiwan's representative to India, Boshua Gair, and India's former National Cyber Security Coordinator, Lieutenant Gen Rajesh Pant, jointly hosted this inaugural in-person GCTF event in India. Next. A ransomware group claims to have breached the systems of Crafter Heinz, but the food giant says it's unable to verify the claims. The ransomware group named Snatch publicly named Crafter Heinz on its website on 14th December, but the post appears to have been created on 16th August, which indicates that the attack occurred months ago. Indeed, in a statement issued on Thursday, Crafter Heinz said it's investigating claims of a cyber attack that occurred several months ago. Our internal systems are operating normally, and we currently see no evidence of a broader attack, Crafter Heinz said. At last, a new set of vulnerabilities in 5G modems by Qualcomm and MediaTek, collectively called 5Ghoul, impact 710 5G smartphone models from Google partners, Android, and Apple, routers, and USB modems. Speaking to Business Line, Saket Mitra, Vice President, Trust and safety. Google Asia Pacific said Google sees safety on the internet to be a highly integral ingredient for user retention on its platform. 5Ghoul was discovered by university researchers from Singapore and consists of 14 vulnerabilities in mobile communication systems. The 5Ghoul attacks range from temporary service disruptions to network downgrades, which may be more severe from a security standpoint. Stay tuned and keep watching Cybex Sword for cyber samachar and latest updates.